Hi, I'm Andrew Stevenson, and if you're interested in making money with low content and medium content books on Amazon KDP, you're in the right place. I've been making books since 2019 and I've been making videos for just as long. On my channel, you will find not only what sort of books to make, but also how to make them, and in most cases, I'll give you the PDF so you can print them yourself. I share with you not only income reports, but also the actual books that I sold that month. And again, I include links in the description of all my videos on how you can make those self-same books. Now, I don't want to blow my own trumpet, but if you've been around KDP for a while, you'll have heard of craft paper pads. I was the first person to bring them to YouTube. I was one of the first people to make them as an Amazon KDP self-published book. You might not have seen my videos, but you'll have seen videos on them from other creators who have seen my videos. And they've got more views than me. But hey, that's fine. It's all about sharing. I was also one of the first people to show you how to make reverse colouring books. Again, you might not have seen my video, but you'll have seen other creators who've seen my videos. Do I make thousands of pounds a month through KDP? Do I chuff? But people who watch my videos do. Why are they more successful than me? First of all, because they've probably got a bit more drive. I'm a very, very lazy person. And secondly, they've probably also learned not only how to do things right, but also they've learned from my mistakes and how I've done things wrong in the past. I'll share with you not only my successes, small as they are, I'll also tell you my failures. On my channel, you'll find a link to a playlist where I give away upload-ready PDFs of some of my most popular books. I also show you physical copies of my books and how to make them. There's also in-depth step-by-step instructions on how to use publishing software like Affinity Publisher, Canva and Microsoft Publisher to make your low-content books. I'll show you not only how to make the books, but also how to make them better and more unique. I'll give you hints on how to niche down your ideas so you're targeting a specific audience. This year, it's my goal to not only grow my YouTube channel, but also to get better at KDP myself. So I'll be learning things like keyword research, SEO and cover design. They are my weaknesses, and I'll be working on them to improve my KDP sales. I'll also learn about advertising. Everything I learn, I will share with you. And the best thing is, it is completely free. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I don't want your money, your soul, or your firstborn. In return for you watching these videos, you will get the tutorials for free. You'll get the resources for free. You'll get keyword strategies and niche research. So if you want to find out what works as well as what doesn't work on KDP, maybe get an insight into the next big thing 2 years before anyone else mentions it, craft paper pads, click subscribe, and I'll see you again.